Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, London-based traditional financial company Calastone has announced the integration of Fireblock's blockchain infrastructure to launch a new tool that enables asset managers to tokenize any fund on its platform. This integration will facilitate connections with Web3 native distributors while maintaining the issuance, management, and compliance functions of Calastone's core platform. Next news. Jeffrey Kendrick, head of Global Digital Assets Research at Standard Chartered Bank, stated that Bitcoin is expected to reach a new high of approximately $120,000 in the second quarter, primarily driven by the strategic reallocation of U.S. assets. He recommends buying now, pointing out several indicators supporting a new rally for Bitcoin, including the U.S. Treasury term premium at a 12-year high, continued accumulation of Bitcoin by whale investors, and inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, indicating a shift of safe haven assets from gold to Bitcoin.
Daddy's home.
Next news. OKX announced the official launch of its payment tool, OKX Pay, which supports self-custody, seamless global payments, and daily automatic rewards, with zero transaction fees. Next news. Tether's gold-backed stablecoin XAUT held 7.7 tons of gold reserves at the end of Q1 2020, according to an official attestation released by the company. Launched in 2020, XAUT is the highest market cap tokenized gold product, with a market cap of $770 million at the end of Q1. The value of XAUT has appreciated alongside rising gold prices amid global economic uncertainty and market volatility, reaching an all-time high price of $3,423 per token recently. Each XAUT token is backed 1-to-1 by 1 troy ounce of physical gold stored securely in Swiss vaults. Tether also regularly publishes attestations for its USDT stablecoin, which has a supply of nearly 148 billion.
That sounds pretty good.
Next news. Mastercard is integrating stablecoins into its global payments network, allowing consumers to spend and merchants to receive payments using stablecoins. Next news. The Arizona House of Representatives recently passed 2 Bitcoin-related reserve bills, SB 1025 and SB 1373, which have now been submitted to Governor Katie Hobbs for signing. SB 1373 proposes the establishment of a digital asset strategic reserve fund managed by the state treasurer. The fund would be sourced from seized assets and legislative appropriations, and up to 10% of it may be invested annually in digital assets such as Bitcoin, with provisions for lending under the condition of no added risk. SB 1025 allows the state treasury and pension systems to invest up to 10% of available funds in virtual currencies, with a focus on Bitcoin. Next news. On-chain investigator ZachXBT reported that approximately 9 hours ago, a suspicious transfer of 3,520 BTC took place. The funds were subsequently laundered through more than 6 instant exchange platforms and converted into Monero. As a result, the price of XMR surged by nearly 50% in a short period. The identity behind the transaction remains unknown, and further developments are being closely monitored.
There it is. Hacker, huh?
Next news. According to Decrypt, major Swiss supermarket chain Spar plans to roll out Bitcoin payments across Switzerland after a successful pilot. The Spar branch in Zug began accepting Bitcoin via the Lightning Network in early April, using DFX Swiss's open crypto pay platform in Open, peer-to-peer standard designed specifically for in-person crypto transactions.
Good.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.